Guys, look who I have. So today we're doing Zara's hair, as I'm sure you can tell by now. And I'm so excited because I get to use the RevAir on her. I've used my friends on her whole head before and it was life-changing, which is why I have one now myself. So her hair is already split. It's clean. Her hair is in 4 sections, so I'm gonna split each of these into 2. I'm doing a total of 8 sections, I think, just because Zara has a whole lot of hair and it's just easier for me to do this than to try to put it into 6. I think their website recommends 6 or their directions, but I think this is going to be fine for what we're doing. So this is the RevAir. Everything literally fits inside of this tote. My camera's so far down because Zara is sitting in the chair, but everything fits in here and I can literally hold it with just one hand. It's heavy, but it ain't that heavy, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna plug that up. I won't be able to talk while I'm using it, so just stand by. It's loud, but it's not as loud as the old model, which is nice.
Yes, it is. What are you talking about?
It's not as loud as the old one that T brought over.
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna use the clips it came with because they're cute. I actually think I want to start in the front section because
Nice.
it'll be in the front. They can see it. So we'll clip off these other ones.
Oh.
So they can see the very first one. The first reactions. Okay, so I want you guys to see how I do the entire process. What I am first doing is just making sure that the section is completely detangled. That's part of the instructions. You don't want to put knotty hair in the RevAir. And also there's no products in her hair either. And so I just made sure that the end was gathered before I placed it in. And it kind of just sucks it up just like a vacuum. Zara, does it hurt? Does it feel what does it feel like? Warm. What I'm doing here is I'm turning the tension. The tension settings are on the actual, the bigger part of the unit, and it goes all the way up to a level 7 tension, and then the heat settings are on the actual handle. That switch you see can go low, medium, or high heat. So hers is set to high heat at a tension level of 7, and that's best for her hair. But remember, this is still way less heat and tension than using a blow dryer, so it's still way healthier for her hair. Again, and it was a total of 90 seconds for this whole section to get it completely done. So basically 10.5 minutes that it would take to do her entire head of hair, which is crazy. So crazy. Y'all, do y'all see this? Hold on. Do y'all see this hair? Look at that. It's perfectly blown out. I didn't have to do this. I didn't have to do none of that. I had to do none of this. Literally. It's so easy. So I repeated this process, obviously for her entire head of hair, just detangling first, and then going ahead and using the RevAir. I want to also make note of how I use it at the roots. So after I put the end in, I take it all the way to the roots, and I do these circular motions. And they said that you don't really need to pump it, but you can kind of move it in circular motions around the roots to make sure that that air comes in contact with all the roots, so that you're really getting it straight up in the roots. And that part is really important because you don't want the roots to be bushy when you're doing this. And I didn't have any problems with this at all, really mainly because of the way that the suction is. It's so hard to describe, but it really is like a vacuum. And when I pull her hair out, I'm just in disbelief every time. It's just so cool. It's so innovative, and it really just works. I'm surprised this wasn't on Shark Tank or something, because this is incredible, you guys. literally run and buy one. I believe that they're having the lowest prices of the year for Black Friday. So I'm posting this at the perfect time. And you guys, this is not sponsored or anything, but like, you guys have to get this. Like, put it on your Christmas list. I don't even know what to tell you, but like, this is literally life-changing. This might be the most life-changing hair product ever, especially if you're Black, African American, or have like a curly, thick texture that you just find it hard to work with. Like, we've been dealing with this for years, ladies. Like, it can be hard. Like, this is I can't even explain it to you enough. It just makes the process so much easier. So you see me doing those circular motions, even mid-shaft. I never saw that in the directions. That's just what I started doing. So I don't know if you're telling people to do that, but that's what worked for me. And the hair is just manageable and it's ready to style after this. It literally blows my mind, even just watching it. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Look at Zara's hair. Her hair is so long and beautiful, and that process was so fast and easy, wasn't it, Z? Turn around. Do a slow turn all the way around. I said slow. I said slow, girl. Slowly. Slowly. Wow, we can't even see all your hair. That's how long it is. Keep going. Oh my goodness, girl. Where her hand on her hip. Zara has really long hair, and I'm so impressed with how fast and easy it is to use the RevAir on her hair. Like, y'all don't, what are you doing? But it was really fast compared to blow drying. I would say at least half the time of blow drying, but it can take me over an hour to blow dry her hair because it's so long and thick. So this is, y'all, I feel like it's such a surreal moment because I have been wanting this for a while, but y'all don't understand. Like, I have to do her head of hair. Like, I have to do this hair. So, like, this is such a time saver. It makes me feel like the whole process is less of a hassle to do. And I'm just super thankful to RevAir for even sending it to me. But let me tell you, if you struggle with managing your child's hair, I don't know what's happening here, but she's just so silly. If you struggle with
Can I get some water?
Okay, fine. If you struggle with managing your child's hair in any way, stretching the hair is the easiest way to make it manageable. Zara's hair is so curly at the nape of her neck that it just mats up. Like, I can't do a wash and go on Zara. Like, that would just be a matted disaster. So stretching her hair is the easiest way, and the RevAir is the healthiest way to stretch her hair. And I don't want to cause damage to her hair. We don't straighten her hair that often. We do straighten it, but just not that often. I'm very conscious of maintaining the health of her hair until she's old enough to decide what the heck she wants to do with it herself, you know? But while I'm doing it, I want to maintain the length and the health. But this, you guys, this right here has changed my life. It's changed my life. Can I zoom in? You're not really cooperating with this mission. You're not really cooperating. Okay. So Zara's in her super silly mood because it's past bedtime already. So she's in a super silly mood. But I want to say that, Zara, how did you feel? Do you like the RevAir? What do you think?
Oh yeah, the RevAir is the best. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's give a trophy.
Okay.
To the I'm the bathroom. Alright. The RevAir is the best. I
Yeah,
love
look,
the
you gotta look at
RevAir in the camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The RevAir is the best. The RevAir is the best. Oh, the RevAir is the best.
You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We're so excited. Our hair journeys have now, our future hair journey has been made very much more simple and easier for the foreseeable future. And I couldn't be more excited. This is the newest model of the RevAir too. This is like their second edition. So it's black and it's sleek. It has black like shiny accents. It looks really nice, and it's smaller, quieter, and it works just as well as the first model. So I'm obsessed. Zara's obsessed, and we're excited. This video, like, we're getting ghetto with this whole thing. I don't even have a chair. I'm like zoomed out, totally past what y'all are even supposed to see. Alright guys, well, it's been a long day. It's a Sunday, and we got to get this girl's hair in 2 braids ready for school tomorrow. So I love y'all, and we will see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye. When's the next video?
I don't know. Hopefully soon, but mommy is... Hopefully it's next week.
No, hopefully it's in 100 weeks.
No.
1,000 weeks.
No.
1,000,000,000 weeks.
Girl, the way I've been going. Anyways, peace.